is this line?
What's going on?
What is this line? What is this line? What is this line?
Discern doors for arrival. Cross-check the clear for all call, please.
Pretty colors for pretty pills.
Here is our San Francisco hotel. Staying for one day, and then we are going to Bodega Bay. We all got new sunglasses. Christina, where are your sunglasses?
Did you tell them what we did yesterday with the San Francisco trolley?
No, but we hopped on a trolley.
We rode it for like 20 minutes through Chinatown and the Russian
I think it's the Russian Tower, isn't it? Oh, no, Russian Hill.
Hill, and then Fisherman's Wharf, and then we saw some of the ships and we ate there. It was delightful.
We went to the Blue Mermaid.
Great little spot. Madison found these wonderful little vintage shops. We shopped and we each bought something from San Francisco. When
We
were
did.
Got this in San Francisco.
I got this sweater. Christina actually got this sweater. It's time to hustle. Onward, upward. And Madison is in the other room. Went down
Lombard Street. Madison, get in here.
gorgeous. Driving around and we see a herd. Oh, is it a herd of seals? A herd of seals, a pack. Bodega Bay.
And let's do it.
We're here, Bodega Bay. So excited. We're gonna go in the pool. Oh, we are in Bodega Bay. Here's Mother.
Hello.
And we are walking to the pool. We all have our bathing suits on.
Oh, show the view.
Let me show you the view. It's absolutely gorgeous. The ocean's that way. Here we have the pool. Our little villa's up there. So cute. There's a little Mother. Definitely need to do the jacuzzi. My body's very sore. I decided to work out before coming on vacation. Not a smart idea. At all. I literally can't even walk down the stairs.
What?
Here we go. Look up. Here are these crazy humans. Look at them. Do you see them? I see them. How is it? Warm? There's a sauna in here. Who knew that there were so many mountains in California? Oh, there are cows. Or how I like to call them, sheep. These pretty plants. Like, why is everything nicer in California? Can we just talk about that? We're so close. Oh my god, he's looking right at us. Oh my god, hello. Hello, handsome. Hello, handsome. He's the handsomest cow I've ever did see. Oh, they're so cute. Look, he has a little marshmallow face. Oh, hello. Oh, look at they're following each other. They're just friends. You're on the hill, Christina. We're all awake, bright-eyed, bushy-tailed. Christina doesn't wake up forever. It takes her years to wake up. We're gonna go into the town of Bodega.
Standing there. Wait, turn around. I'm gonna get a picture with you with the cows. Stand right
I'm
there.
just hanging out with the cows. They're just right here, hanging out.
Come here.
No, why do you want a picture with the
Stand
cows?
right there on the curb.
I got my eyes tearing. It's not my left eye though.
You and the cow. That's a great shot.
Look at her and the cow. You and the cow. It's actually chilly out, that's why we're wearing jackets. Which the guy, when we walked in, he was like, oh my gosh, you came at the best week. It's so warm out. It's like 60 degrees. I don't know what they think warm is, but it's definitely not this. I don't know what is going on. I told them real quick about what the guy said, how it's warm this week. It's super warm. Did you just step on poop?
I hope not. I don't know, it was like a rock, so if the poop's like petrified, then it's fine.
I think it was poop. Look, she's vlogging too. Look, she's vlogging too. Because I have a fever. Yeah, I think, oh my god, I zoomed on my face. We're gonna get in the car and drive to get some water. My eyes literally tearing. I can't stop crying. Yeah. Into the car we go. Oh my god. Here we are. Hanging out. Whenever I do a video in the car, I think of that 70s show. Hanging out. You know? No one cares.
Yeah.
No one cares.
No one cares.
Madison, I see you. Oh my god, it's the air.
Singing in the street. Everyone around to be dancing in the street. Put the music on so I don't have to sing.
It smells so good in here. It smells like butter. It's a ukulele. Literally smells so good in here. We're right on the Pacific Ocean with them. Taking a little photo shoot. It's just so cold and I had to come back in the car.
What are you saying in there?
I said it's so cold I had to come back in the car. It's literally so cold.
You got a cuddly warm outfit on, that's why.
Me?
No, her.
Yeah, I don't. I mean, I have like a sweatshirt on, but coffee. Coffee's making me warmer. It's the coffee. This coffee's really good.
Yeah, the coffee's really good. You put cinnamon and sugar in it?
I did.
Honestly, we could Google when it's warm in Bodega Bay and come back when it's warm.
The sun is definitely warm. It's the fog that's cold. Is that cool? This is where we went to dinner last night. So good. Just checked out. Going to get some breakfast. Getting some breakfast.
No, you can't do that.
Here we are at Dorian Beach. Those are cute. It's so cold. It's cold. the vines. Go, mamas, go. What do those mountaintops look like?
Broccoli.
They look like little broccoli florets. Look at that bundle of florets.
Boil it. Fry it.
Oh, I can't. Saute it.
Oil and garlic.
Steam. The healthy alternative. Or tempura it. I'm crying. Look at this bridge. All the graffiti. Nina at her new job. Action news now. So, day 2. We are in Kmart. We're shopping a little bit for Christina's apartment. Get a little final finishing touches. And we're just hanging. This is my outfit of the day. I found a jean skirt finally that fits my body. What are you doing? We have lost our minds. She's videotaping too. That's why she's being weird. Hello? Time is now. LOL. Dropping things. I'm sorry.